Fun. I want to make a video about how to use shapes to create these characters' heads. So you can see this weird shape, you can create a head out of it, as here. So how I would do that is I will start with drawing random shapes, and you can draw them, just draw what I'm doing here. So random shape. So, or maybe a shape like this. And when you have this, then you can start drawing a nose in it. So you don't really have to use the exact shape, but use it as a base. So here, and I use this technique when I'm in an art block, for example. So I'm drawing in the eyes, maybe the mouth. So maybe this here, then having the hair. And then we created a head.